I invite you to the new Sunrise Hotel, Sunrise Adjunct, opened in 2024 in Marsa Alam Resort. But before I start, I want to ask you to subscribe to our channel and support this video with a like. Thank you! The hotel is located 90 kilometers from Marsa Alam Airport and 290 kilometers from Hurghada Airport. Sunrise Adjunct can easily be compared to Sunrise White Hills Hotel in terms of quality and service. But here you get similar comfort and food at a better price, saving more than 700 euros. This is because the hotel is new and is located in Marsa Alam, a resort that is not yet as popular as Sharm el-Sheikh. By the way, you can find out the cost of accommodation and book a room in this hotel by following the links in the description below this video. Sunrise Adjunct is ideal for a quiet vacation for two or for those who appreciate privacy. However, for young people looking for active entertainment, partying, and discos, this hotel is hardly the best choice. Although in the evening there is live music, dancing, and bars, the atmosphere is more focused on relaxation and quality rest. This destination is especially suitable for European tourists who appreciate comfort, silence, and a high level of service. The territory of the hotel amazes with its well-groomingness and cleanliness. Despite the fact that there is not much greenery, modern design reigns here. Everything is new and perfectly clean. This is especially noticeable in comparison with other Egyptian hotels. On the beach and in the rooms is maintained impeccable cleanliness, which is a rarity for Egypt even in premium hotels. The hotel is managed by the team that previously opened Sunrise White Hills, and they intend to take Sunrise Adjunct to a level above the premium segment. The level of service, cleanliness, and attitude to guests here is so high that even in Sharm el-Sheikh, it is difficult to find such a thing. If you are looking for a place for a relaxing, quality vacation with premium service, Sunrise Adjunct in Marsa Alam Resort is a great choice. The hotel is new, and this is felt in the modern and stylish design of the rooms. There is a good mix of modern elements and Egyptian-style traditions. The room has a classic Egyptian design, but with modern chandeliers with Egyptian motifs. Note the open closet, shelves, and bed linen made of premium sateen. All this creates a cozy atmosphere. The bed is simply huge, very comfortable, with quality pillows and linens that smell pleasantly fresh. The room also comes with a complement from the hotel, fruits such as pomegranate, guava, banana, and apple. Each room has access to a balcony or terrace. We are on the first floor and the view from here is gorgeous. The chairs in the room are made of natural materials with metal mesh, which emphasizes their quality and style. Our room is a family suite, which consists of 2 rooms. The first room is the parents' room and is the same size and equipment as the superior category, which can accommodate 2 adults and 2 children. There are also family bunk bedrooms with bunk beds. We spent the first night in such a room and then moved to the family suite, which has a separate room for children. The kids' room has no windows, is completely isolated, and has access to the bathroom and restroom through it. The bathroom is new with quality fixtures and nice cosmetics in individual jars. There is also a hairdryer and the option to order extra supplies, such as toilet paper, through the concierge service. Bathrobes with a pleasant fragrance are provided in each room. The shower cabin is made in traditional Egyptian style. It is one piece and very comfortable. It has everything you need: shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel in separate jars. There are also always towels, bathrobes, toothbrushing, and shaving kits, and shower caps in the room. Each room, both adult and children's, has flat-screen TVs, safes, and minibars. In the minibar, you will find water, juices, smoothies, Schweppes, Coke, Sprite, and sparkling water. The adult room additionally has a tea set, cups, and glasses. Everything has been thought out for your comfort. The service on the hotel beach is top-notch. They will bring you drinks, help you with sunbeds, and the white sand makes you feel like you are in the Maldives. The beach here is secluded, and sometimes it seems that you are all alone. This is the perfect place for those looking for a premium vacation, peace, and tranquility. If you decide to swim, it's best to enter the water about halfway down the beach, just short of the pontoon, which is located on the left. Here the bottom is sandy, but closer to the pontoon the bottom becomes rougher, which is not very pleasant for your feet. The optimal place to enter the water is in the middle of the beach or closer to the beginning, where yoga classes are usually held. The sand here is soft with small shells. It is very comfortable to walk on it. The depth near the shore is pleasant, and the water is crystal clear, just incredible. The color of the water and snow-white sand create a real Maldivian vibe. The beach has comfortable sunbeds with straw umbrellas, which look stylish and modern. There are special flaps near each umbrella to create a secluded space. There are plenty of places on the beach, as the hotel is designed for comfortable vacations, and guests can choose the perfect spot for themselves. Behind the beach, there is a wooden pontoon about 60 meters long with 4 entrances to the water. I especially recommend swimming from the last 2 stairs. There you will see beautiful corals and colorful fish. The pontoon itself is new and sturdy, and the corals at the last entrance are especially picturesque and untouched. At Sunrise Anjum Hotel in Marsa Alam, you can enjoy the perfect mango frosh. It's thick, rich, and really tasty. Mangoes here can be ordered in unlimited quantities and are a real treat. You should also try the strawberry fresh. It is fresh and natural. The hotel is famous for the fact that here they serve red fish, for example, salmon, which is served on sandwiches with egg. This is unusual for Egypt and very tasty. The breakfasts here are some of the best I have ever tasted. Huge selection of fruits: strawberry, grapefruit, orange, banana, guava. Mango is especially impressive. You can drink it as a frosh or smoothie. Smoothies here are made in 4 types, including mango and 7. For breakfast, they bring a cart with strawberries and mangoes, and guava can be ordered separately. Besides strawberries, there are melon, persimmon, and even exotic fruits like kumquat. Persimmons here are unusually shaped, and the fruit is always fresh and juicy. On the children's table, you can find vegetables: carrots, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers. Pay attention to red fish. It is served on sandwiches with eggs, which makes breakfast even more diverse. Service is fast and smooth. Even a few minutes before the end of breakfast, all dishes are available, and smoothies are poured on demand. Hotel Sunrise Anjum is characterized by a high level of service and food. Here rest mainly European tourists, and this makes the atmosphere of the hotel more European, with quality service and infrastructure. For lunch, you can try a whole fish on the grill. It is a little dry, but tasty. You should also pay attention to seafood. Shrimps, sautéed with grilled vegetables and salad. It's just a bomb. Service at the highest level. Waiters immediately come up, clarify what you want to drink, and even memorize your preferences. The Italian restaurant of the hotel is a separate story. Seafood soup, mussels, shrimps, and octopus are served here. Salmon tartare made from fresh, not smoked salmon is a real delicacy. Main courses, such the grilled shrimp, are incredible. The fish here is on par too, without the typical Egyptian odor. The restaurant is free. You can sign up even on the day you visit. The choice of seafood is impressive. Shrimp, squid, mussels, all fresh and deliciously cooked. I especially recommend the spaghetti with seafood and green salad with olive oil. The hotel has a secluded atmosphere. There is no mass feeling on the beach and grounds, which makes you feel comfortable and relaxed. The restaurant is the only place where you can notice that the hotel is full. But even here, everything is thought out for the convenience of guests. The Italian restaurant is open from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., and you can always enjoy a mango smoothie, strawberry, or guava. Lunch here is not just a meal, but a real gastronomic pleasure with a view of the sea. The Kids Club at Sunrise Anjum Hotel operates in 2 phases, from 10 o'clock to 12:30 and from 15 o'clock to 17 o'clock. Every evening at 20:45, there are fun activities for kids such as face painting, mini disco, and theme days. The club itself is small, cozy, but unfortunately not always filled with children. Animators try to entertain kids, however, as I think children can get bored because of the limited number of activities. If we talk about the minuses of the hotel, it is worth noting that it is more oriented to adults, especially couples who appreciate high service and quality food. For families with children, there is no water park or active children's animation here. However, children can enjoy swimming in the sea, delicious food, and comfortable rest next to their parents, who, in turn, will be satisfied with the level of service. Animation in the hotel is soft, without noisy parties and active hangouts. During the day, aqua aerobics and bocce games are offered, but the participants are usually few, since the main audience of the hotel is Europeans. For them, a comfortable heated pool, comfortable sunbeds, and a relaxed atmosphere are important. If you are looking for a quiet and relaxing vacation, this hotel is a great choice. But if active entertainment is important to you, you should consider other options. The hotel presents a cozy spa where you can relax and enjoy comfort. The cost of visiting is $30 for 1 hour. Guests have access to a traditional Turkish sauna, which is ideal for relaxation, as well as a modern jacuzzi and refreshing showers. It's a great place to rejuvenate after a busy day. Summing up on Sunrise Anjum Hotel, which opened in 2024 in Marsa Alam, I would like to note that it became my absolute favorite, especially during its opening period. In terms of quality of service, food, and level of service, the hotel has virtually no competitors. By many parameters, it corresponds to the Sunrise White Hills Hotel, which costs €700 more expensive. Let's start with the service. It is really at the highest level here. The hotel provides concierge service, which I have previously met only in premium hotels, such as Rixos Sunrise White Hills. You are connected to a personal manager via WhatsApp, which allows you to quickly solve any issues that arise during your vacation. Service in the main restaurant is also top-notch, with staff helping you with your meal choices, and on the beach they spread out towels and offer drinks directly to your sunbed. Bellboy regularly goes around the beach, clarifying what you'd like to drink, and brings what you've ordered. If we talk about food, then everything is perfectly organized here. Orders in the restaurant are fulfilled within 1 to 2 hours, and if something is not on the menu, for example, guava juice, it will be prepared specially for you on request. The staff is very attentive and helpful, always ready to help and clarify how your vacation is going. The breakfasts at the hotel were very varied with 4 types of smoothies: mango, strawberry, orange, and guava, which are also available at the bars and restaurants throughout the day. Red fish is served for breakfast, which is an indication of the high standard of the hotel. Of the fruits, the selection is not the biggest, but there are always kumquats, guavas, bananas, tangerines, apples, and pears. Dinners every day include seafood, crab, grilled squid, and other delicacies. In addition to the main restaurant, the hotel has several a la carte restaurants, which can be visited for free, having previously signed up. We especially like the Italian restaurant with large shrimp, octopus, and squid. The Asian restaurant offers sushi and seafood dishes and batter, but for connoisseurs of Japanese cuisine, they may seem simple. The territory of the hotel is compact and convenient. From the main building to the beach can be reached in 3 minutes. There is not much greenery yet, as the hotel is new, but it is compensated by a cozy atmosphere and modern infrastructure. On the beach and at the pools, there are new sunbeds with comfortable mattresses. All 4 pools on the territory are heated, including a separate pool for adults. The beach is sandy with convenient wind flaps, which is especially important in winter. Entrance to the water is sandy, but there is a pontoon length of about 70 meters with exits to the coral. I advise you to choose the far exits, as there the corals are more picturesque and untouched, and the underwater world is rich in a variety of fish. The pontoon is stable, even in the wind it is not closed. Wi-Fi on the territory works flawlessly, which allows you to work comfortably and share impressions in real time. There is practically no infrastructure outside the hotel, but on the territory there are small stores where you can buy essentials, creams, masks, flippers, clothes, and other small things. The hotel is located 90 kilometers from Marsa Alam Airport and 300 kilometers from Hurghada Airport. We got there with an individual transfer for $80, which took about 3 hours. I believe that Sunrise Anjum is a premium hotel with a high level of service and food, while the cost of accommodation here is 50% lower than in Sharm el-Sheikh. This is a great choice for those who want a quality vacation at an affordable price. And if you like this review, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment, share your impressions, or ask questions. See you in new reviews!